Hi, I'm Andy and I'm researching the physical layer characteristics of building automation networks in order to use that to enhance their security. Usually this means fun stuff like measuring, soldering, sometimes maybe getting an electrical shock, and data analysis. This being an online summer school, we will leave out the part where you could get shocked and concentrate on the data analysis.
Hi, my name is Darshit and I'm going to talk about data modeling and its role in describing almost everything around us. Furthermore, we'll also talk about security analysis and how it could be done on building automation systems.
Hi, I'm Johan and I'm going to give a workshop on penetration testing on an industrial controller. We are going to take a look at the DDC 4200, which is a commonly used controller in building automation systems. We will use free and open source tools to analyze possible attack vectors and execute them.
Hi, I'm Johannes and I'm going to show you how to plan, configure and program a KNX network. Afterwards we will also have a look at the log files which you can record while the network is working and what information you can derive from these collected data.
Hi, I'm Simon, and if you join us on this year's summer school on the security of interconnected things, you will learn all the fundamental basics of IT security. We'll teach you what it means for a car or a building to be part of a network, how those networks operate, and whether or not hackers are really a threat to IT security.
Hi, I'm Thomas. My lecture will be about field buses, the protocols within, and also about threatening scenarios in the Internet of Things.